Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Anna. Today I'm coming to you with awesome news as I become one of Lady Design Dye's brand ambassador, and I will be creating flowers using dye set flower number 6 Poppy. This is a very easy flower making tutorial I will share with you today. There's no shaping, a very basic tutorial. It's easy to follow for beginners. You can take it to the level further with adding glitter, but today I will show you just a basic tutorial how you can make those flowers. So to make a large flower, you will need one layer of the smaller dye and 2 layers of the larger dye. And for the little one, you just need 2 layers of the smallest dye from the set. So I have my Foamiran ready, and I will add this Archival ink in Cobalt shade. I like to mix 2 colors together sometimes, but sometimes I'm using just one color. Because I have the Foamiran in green color, I will just add one color to add extra interest to my flowers. So I'm starting with a smaller layer, and I'm inking 1/2 of my petal on both sides, so on the top and the bottom, like so. So we've got a little extra interest added to our layers. For the middle and the bottom layer, we're repeating the same process, so we're just inking 1/2 of the petals. Considering bottom layer not need to have the ink added on the bottom, because it's not going to be much visible, you can just ink the top layer only. So I'm just repeating this process, and as you can see, I'm not taking loads of ink onto my blending tool. I'm just gently dabbing into the ink pad and smooshing on my Foamiran. If you want to add more depth to your color and add more intensity to your flowers, then by all means you can add more ink to it. Then the choice is yours. I like to just keep it delicate, keep it simple. So to shape my flowers, I'm bringing my poking tool as well to poke the hole into the center of my flower, and I will be working with just ordinary kitchen sponge. So I'm bringing my iron, and my iron is just an ordinary iron with a steam off, and the temperature is between 2 and 3 dots, so it's between cotton and linen temperature. So I'm placing my layers for a few seconds until they start curling up, and then I'm releasing the layers, like so. So I'm just repeating the process in the same way on all of my layers. So like I said, there's nothing complicated. It's very basic, very simple tutorial for you to follow to create the flowers in a same way. So when all my layers are ready, I will bring my stamens and will add them through my layers. So I will be working with these tiny stamens, like so. You can find loads of variety stamens from 14 Craft Bar, as well you can buy Foamiran from them as well with different colors. However, Emilia brought the Foamiran into her shop, which is available on her eBay shop. I also will link you the eBay shop in the description box below if you fancy doing any shopping to buy any dyes and Foamiran. So I'm taking 5 of the stamens, like so, and I'm attaching them on this wire just to try to even the stamens to the same length, which obviously will look nicer on your flowers. So I'm just folding petals down, like so, and bringing my hot glue gun. I'm using Sizzix hot glue gun. The reason I've picked this one, is because it has this very pointy end, and that also helped me to control the amount of the glue I'm using, so I'm not getting that big blob of the glue, if you know what I mean. So once I've added the glue, I'm just pulling the stamens down and just squishing a little bit at the bottom, and that way I'm shaping the petals as well. So once I've squashed it round the stamens, my petals got lifted upwards. So that's the way my flower getting a nice dimension, nice shape. Now I'm bringing the middle layer, and before I will stick them together, I just need to position my petals so they're not overlapping. And I'm adding a small amount of glue just to seal the layers together. Okay. You can take your time with adding the glue, and you can even add 4 layers to your flower if you feel so. In my liking, I think 3 layers is just more than enough for the nice shape of the flower, for the nice fill flower. Okay, so I'm bringing the 3rd layer, and again I'm attaching layers by adding a small amount of glue and just holding for a bit until they are sticked together. So the process is very simple. I hope you will be able to grab your dies and use the idea, use the tips I'm sharing with you today, and create the flowers in the same way. Like I said, you can challenge yourself and take it to the next step, and by adding, for example, gel medium and sprinkle glitter, you can add extra interest to your flowers, like I did show you in the beginning. I'm gonna just stop at that point. So my flower is ready. So I'm just gonna chop the excess of my stamens like so, and seal them together with adding a small amount of glue, like so. So here we go, my flower is ready. So I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope you will be able to also make flowers in the same way. So like you can see, I brought one with the glitter on. What I like also about Emilia dies, that they are affordable and they are very good quality. So I invite you to visit her shop because she has loads of different dies available there. So that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, thank you so much for watching. So that was flower number 6, Poppy from Lady E Design. So bye for now. I'll talk to you super soon. Take care.